Hello everyone! Applying for citizenship is always an exciting time for a person's life. The naturalization process is done through USCIS by filling Form N-400, Application for Naturalization. In order to help you understand more clearly about the naturalization process, I will answer for you the question, what are the reasons to be denied U.S. citizenship? Here are the 6 main reasons of citizenship denial. First reason is having a criminal record. A denied citizenship application may be the result of having a criminal record. The USCIS reviews your past criminal history before making their decision to accept or deny your application. Some extreme crimes may merit a court hearing for someone to be deported after applying for citizenship. To run your background check, USCIS issues a biometric service exam where your criminal history will be looked at. More serious crimes like convicted murder or aggravated felony will probably result in permanent denial of citizenship. Other crimes like misdemeanors can have major impacts and may cause naturalization denial reasons. You may have to wait a certain amount of time before reapplying for citizenship. If you have ever been arrested, it would be better to speak with an experienced immigration attorney before filing application for naturalization. The second reason is failing your English or Civics test during the citizenship interview. An important step towards naturalization is being prepared for the interview portion of your application process. When meeting in person with a USCIS officer for your citizenship interview, you will take a Civics test and spoken interview. If you fail the English or Civics test in your initial interview, USCIS will schedule you to come back for another interview within 60 to 90 days of your first interview. USCIS will only retest you on the part of the test that you failed. However, USCIS will deny your N-400 form if you fail the test a second time. The third reason is failure to meet continuous residence and physical presence requirements. As a permanent resident, you are free to travel outside the United States and visit family in your home country. But you have to meet the continuous residence and physical presence requirements for USCIS. Continuous residence means that the applicant has maintained residence within the United States for a specified period of time. Travel outside the United States can disrupt your continuous residence. You should avoid any trips abroad of 6 months or longer. Physical presence means that the applicant has been physically present within the United States for a specified period of time over the previous 5 years. Generally, you must have 30 months of physical presence in the U.S. before applying for U.S. citizenship. The fourth reason is committing fraud on your citizenship application. It is essential for every piece of information on your Form N-400 to be truthful and factual. If USCIS believes that your answer to a question is deceptive or untrue, your application for naturalization will be delayed and could be denied. It doesn't matter if the error was innocent. If you are unsure about a question or information you need to provide, seek advice or speak with your immigration attorney. The important thing is during the citizenship interview, try to be honest with your answers. If you have mistakes on your Form N-400, just let the officer know and they will correct the form for you. Never make up the answers or follow the mistakes on your application. The fifth reason is failing to provide child support or pay alimony. If an applicant for naturalization has a minor child who does not live with the applicant, it is necessary to prove that the applicant is providing adequate financial support. If there is a court order of support, it's important to have evidence of compliance with that order. If you do not pay child support or alimony when you are court-ordered to do so, you are committing a criminal offense. The USCIS sees this as you are not being in good moral standing. If you pay child support, make sure all payments are processed on time, so you will not be seen as failing to pay child support. The sixth reason is failing to pay taxes. Failure to pay taxes is a common reason to have a Form N-400 denied. Like paying child support, turning in your taxes on time and paying taxes in full is essential to your path to naturalization. Paying your taxes on time shows the USCIS that you are responsible and equipped for your good moral standing. If you are having some financial struggles, it is best to be upfront with USCIS about it. It is better to show USCIS that you are working towards bettering the issue. By addressing the issue, most people can continue the naturalization process and avoid an N-400 denial. Doing nothing could result in a denial of your citizenship application. The seventh reason is forgetting Selective Service registration. One of the most common citizenship denial reasons is by failing to register for Selective Service. If you are a man between the ages of 18 and 26, you have to register for the Selective Service. Doing so fulfills part of the good moral standing requirement for naturalization. Your application can be denied if you do not show your willingness to defend the United States in the event of a crisis. Alright, these are the main reasons of citizenship denial. Please let me know or leave a comment if you have any questions or concern. Thank you.